what happens is that the 2, which is a plane of mind of diplomacy and wanting to deal with others, a 2 plane of mind which wants to have harmony, wants to have equilibrium, is now having to appear to be a leader. So the 2-1-3 is where this person is very tactful but impractical. Because what happens is that when a 2 is asked to lead, it becomes a bit difficult. The 2 plane of mind would rather be led rather than lead. And so the moment that plane of mind 2 comes in, the 2 going through the 1 and the 3, they end up as generous, extroverted, but will be very easygoing, could be dreamers, tactful but impractical. Now, if you take Anna as A-N-N-A without the Sara part, you get a 2-1-3. Am I right? Yes. So we were just reading up on her. Now, and these are people who are looking for peace at any price. Okay, so they are looking for peace at any price. So what matters to them is peace, harmony, that equilibrium and balance. Now, suddenly see the change when it becomes a 2-2-4. Suddenly there is a flow. Suddenly the 2 can go through the 2 into the 4. And suddenly it's as if the doors have been opened. And so these are people who are mild-mannered. They come out and express themselves in the world. So they are material-minded. Because of the 4 expression, they rarely deviate from a routine. Can be quite fussy, but are very good planners. These are people who plan very well. And what they do is check everything out as fully as possible. They will make sure that everything is checked, which is actually a very good quality to have if you are going to be a planner. They are pleasant, and the issues that come up are because of too much of planning. Now what happens is that there is a very beautiful statement that says paralysis by analysis. You analyze things so much that you end up doing nothing. And if that can happen, the 2-4 can do that. Because they keep on analyzing everything so much that often they do get stuck because of that. And similarly in the body systems, the same thing manifests and people end up with constipation because nothing wants to move through. Everything's got stuck up. Growth and again, one has to be careful that this analysis and paralysis is not a mental thing as well as a physical thing. It can become both. 2, 3, 5. Now these numbers don't really go together because the 2 is safety, harmony, balance, and the 5 is jump and get it done. And you now have a creative 3 in between. So unrealistic, witty, creative, delightful, very emotional, and end up with solar plexus problems. These can be very dashing men and find it difficult to accumulate. And these are people who have a lot of solar plexus tension. One of the issues, the moment you have this 5 coming on, is solar plexus tension, especially when the 3 is in between. So the 2 going into the 3 and coming out with the 5.
Difficult to accumulate?
Difficult to accumulate means they keep on spending. They're not able to save. Now comes a number which is one of the best numbers for a 2, 4, 6 and 8. That entire even concurs 2, 4, 6. Because the 2 going through the 4 coming out as a 6. You can see that there is a sense of expansion. At the same time there is a harmony. And because the 2 plane of mind is coming through a 4, outer appearance of being organized and planning well, now it is coming out in a responsible expression. So they are responsible, good for business, love for partner, they can be tactful, they can be ambitious. And these are people who are very good in taking care of others. They have very good ability to take care of others. In fact, it's a good combination for a 2 birth path, because the 2 birth path will feel very much at home with a name like Robert, R-O-B-E-R-T, or Maria, M-A-R-I-A. A 2 birth path with a name like that would enjoy it a lot, but they have to be careful for fluid problems, varicose veins, bladder issues because of the amount of 2 coming in. 257. Now here is a sociable 2 trying to go out and express as a naturally reclusive 7. Repressed, held back, procrastinate, have a bit of a mystic quality because of the 7 expression. They have an ability for a mediumship. They can be a medium. They can communicate with the psychic world. Very poor business heads, and it is very interesting if you look at this, because one of the people who very much typifies this was a person who was really loved by a lot of people in this world, and that is Diana, D-I-A-N-A. And it's very interesting that she has that combination. Similarly, Martha, M-A-R-T-H-A, Elizabeth, E-L-I-S-A-B-E-T-H. The reason I'm reading out the spelling is the way we have calculated it. I believe also the word mother, please check it up, but M-O-T-H-E-R, I believe has this. And if so, it is very true, because the moment you label somebody mother, you do bring out a few of these qualities in them. And this is one reason why I don't like being called Anand, because A and D does this. And a 3 birth path doesn't like to be reclusive. That's the last thing we like.
So these numbers are irrespective of birth path, right?
Yeah, like when I talk about a 2 by 7, I'm talking about a 2 by 7. Now a 2 by 7 on certain birth paths may be a bit more manageable. Like a 7 may be able to manage this a bit better. A 6 could manage it, a 7 could manage it. A 1, no. I think 6 and 7 could manage it. The others would find it quite difficult to manage it. Now one would have to find out what is Diana's birth path to know whether it worked for her or not.
Diana, how do you spell it? Sorry?
D-I-A-N-A, with the spelling in that way.
And in French, maman, it's 2, 4,
It's also
6.
2, 4, 6. Interesting. What it brings out would be more the previous one. Responsible, nice love for
Yes.
people. So it's interesting it brings that out. Now, 268 is one of the very, very beautiful combinations. If you ask me, what is a combination a 2, 4, 6 and 8 birth path could use? Well, 268 is a very good combination that I highly recommend. Because here a 2 plane of mind is expressing through the 8. So not only are they diplomatic, not only do they love harmony, equilibrium, equanimity, but they are able to express it externally to others, and thus they are able to make a success of their way of thinking. It's a very beautiful flow. And what happens is they do it through a responsible manner. So when somebody does something in a responsible manner, wants peace, wants harmony, and is able to express it externally, well, I think these people are going to do very well in life. And this is where a very common Indian name Padma, P-A-D-M-A, comes up. Clara, C-L-A-R-A is another name that comes up here.
What about Anandi?
I would have to
Is
check
that
it
this
out.
number? Is it this number?
I don't know, you would have to check it out. You would have to see, I would have to calculate it.
Feels like it.
You could calculate it and see if you want. It has a 2 there, right? Yes, so it could be, it's one of the 2 combinations. So it could be. As the question has come up, we will try it out. Will somebody go up there and tell me what it is? You can take out the right hand side of the board, keep the numbers and do. A-N-D-H-I. Yeah. So you have a 1 and the 1, so definitely a 2. I is 9. So N you will have a 5. You have another 5. And you have a 4. And you have an 8. So what do we have?
9 gets cancelled.
You have 2. And you have a 5 and 8 is a 13, so 2, 4, 6. So it is a 2, 4, 6, not too far. 2, 4, 6 is where we were, so you can make a note of that, and thank you for bringing that up. So Anandi must have been 2, 4 birth path or something like that. She's an 8. In her case, the reason we wanted a different type of energy was that she didn't want to be a businesswoman. She wasn't interested in making money. She said, that's not what turns me on. She said, I want to help people. And we saw that what she needed was more of a responsible person being a responsible expression. You will look at that. A 2, 4, 6 has a responsible expression, deals with people, has the true plane of mind and organizes well. So she has become a lot of that. Again, she is another one who on Facebook combines it, and I always suggest to people you should look up and check up how the combinations work also, because I never sort of visualize that issue coming up, because we only visualize a single name that comes up. Now with the 2, 6, 8, they can be a sensitive person, they know the value of money, and they can be shrewd, which is in Indian culture a very positive attribute. Now I know that there is a negative attribute in Western thought for being shrewd. A shrewd, cunning, calculating, cunning. But in Indian thought actually it is a quality, it's a positive quality to be shrewd. And it's we like, oh yeah, he's very shrewd. Yes. And you're like, is that a compliment or an accusation? It's actually a compliment, because it means that you really know how to survive in this Indian crab story, where all crabs are pulling you down. You know how to manage and play the game. So it's actually taken as a positive attribute. I often think about it. Last night, Desan and I were sitting and working out something, because I don't know how we got onto it, but Divya wanted me to show her the Yantra calculator, so we started typing in a few names, and then we, as this usually happens, you end up with your own name and see what's happening. And we were saying this is very interesting, because one part of my name said should, and Desan said, but this is not you. And then I said, well, look at the Bhavanani part, it says cannot be should. The analysis actually says it, so I said should in Ananda, and cannot be should in Bhavanani cancels out, so it doesn't exist. And this is where with Anand Raj, I said the problem is he cannot be should twice. Raj also cannot be should, and then Bhavanani also, and I said, I just ruined that kid's life, because it's too much of not being should. And so when I see this word, I always think about the word should, because it's taken, because you see, for us, one of our gods, Krishna, was very much a shrewd God, if you look at it that way. Krishna was always looking for loopholes and how he could get Dharma to win, and he would let them think it's dusk and that the sun has gone down, so that people are cheated, and then the sun comes back again. So there's a lot of this concept of playing with what appears to be reality for people, that Maya, and playing with Maya for the sake of Dharma. Now the concept of Krishna is that the end justifies the means, that the end of the idea was to help Dharma win, and that's why Krishna came.
I
So,
think you described Ganesh that way.
Yes.
Very clever.
I would say even Ganesha, we would say, is quite shrewd.
That's what I.
And so this type of lateral thinking is very much common, and in Indian epics, in the Puranas, in the Itihasas, in all our stories, you find a lot of these, what would be considered shrewd and actually not so polite, or not so legal, and not so just, means being adopted for the sake of a goal. And they are usually justified. So somehow this word should does have its aspects here. Now these are people who are quite affectionate. So 268, I would say, is a very nice combination.
Krishna is 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, good. You see now she's caught fire.
I think there's two ways to spell Krishna.
Again, you know, you would have to look at all the combinations. Now 279. 279, you can see that there's going to be a bit of a problem, because here's a two-plane of mind. A two-plane of mind that wants to have equanimity, balance. You have the 7 that goes in, and so everybody says this person is a loner. Why should we, talk to them? So this person wants to talk to everybody, wants to, be part of social, interactions. But the 7 outer appearance makes people think they are loner. And then what happens is they come out and blurt it out with a 9, and the 9 has this hyper emotionality. So it's not a good combination. In fact, a dangerous combination in my opinion, because these people can be very religious but can be quite fanatical. They can be artistic, and they're usually involved in other people's problems. And there are a lot of these people in India. We seem to have an abundance of 279s who are always involved in other people's problems. And I am astonished. I know half a dozen of these type of people, and it's astonishing how they are always, the whole life is nothing but being involved in others' problems.
Synonyms on that?
Quite a few of them too. Actually, I was surprised when I see a few of them. And two of them are 279. So okay.
Of course.
Actually, one of them is
Word from yesterday. You too?
and one of them is actually Devasena sister Lalita, because Lalita is a 279, and it is quite amazing actually. I'm always like, Lalita is always like involved in other people's stuff, and because of the yoga. Now again, I'll give you a clue here, a secret. Yoga changes yantra. Now I don't mean the headstand yoga.